Tuscany is considered the pearl of Italy. From the verdant rolling hills dotted with centuries-old cypress trees to the olive groves and ancient vines, the colors of Tuscany are dreamy and enchanting. Stay tuned as I share my tablescape inspired by the gardens of Tuscany in the spring. All throughout Tuscany, nature provides the perfect spring palette, with flowering trees melded with the bluest of sky in a soft color palette of blues, verdant greens, and soft yellow hues. These spring colors are the inspiration for the tabletop I've created in today's episode, and a beautiful tablecloth that features this palette is my starting point. When creating a tablescape, the key is layering. I started with this gorgeous linen tablecloth by the esteemed French linen company Garnier Thiebaut. The pattern is called Giardino, or garden in Italian, and is appropriately inspired by the gardens of Italy. With its white and blue flowers, green leaves, lemons, and grapevines printed on cream-colored fabric, this rich pattern evokes the spirit of Tuscany. When you're using a richly patterned tablecloth, it's best to keep the rest of the layered tabletop simple. For each place setting, I've chosen light wood chargers and plates in creamy hues, accented by elegant silverware and European-inspired glassware. And you'll find links to create this tabletop in the description box below the video. A tablescape needs a centerpiece, but it doesn't have to be just one centerpiece. Instead of a predictable flower arrangement, I took my clippers and headed out to my spring garden. I call this free foraging, where I clipped a few budding green branches and lime green heuchera leaves and used those in place of flowers. I arranged the branches and leaves in vintage glass bottles of varying sizes down the center of the table for a casually elegant look. To complete the table, I added a few finishing touches like casually placed lemons, a mix of candlesticks in green and wood tones, and wine and water bottles placed on Italian leaf plates. I'm also sharing more ideas for a Tuscan spring dinner party menu on my website. Now all you need are your favorite guests, and you can enjoy the simple moments of life with a dinner party inspired by the colors of a Tuscan spring. Thanks so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to the Home Styling Works channel. And visit homestylingworks.com for more ideas on how to make your everyday more beautiful.